The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. Let's pause for a moment and think about this quote. It means your happiness isn't about how much money you have, where you live, or what others think of you. It's about how you think, the way you see the world, and handle challenges is what shapes your life. Now, imagine this. You wake up every morning feeling calm, ready to take on the day, and excited about what's ahead. No rushing, no stress, no hitting snooze 5 times. This isn't some impossible dream, it's something you can create by changing a few small habits. This is where Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, can help. Stoicism teaches us how to focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. It's about staying calm, being grateful, and living a meaningful life. In this guide, we'll explore 10 powerful strategies inspired by Stoicism that can help you start your mornings and days with peace, purpose, and happiness. Let's start with the big question. Why do you get up in the morning? If you're like most people, mornings can feel like a chore. You wake up, hit snooze, drag yourself out of bed, and hope the coffee kicks in. But what if your mornings had meaning? What if you woke up every day excited and motivated? This is where the Japanese idea of ikigai comes in. Ikigai is a word that means reason for being. It's the thing that makes you want to jump out of bed and start your day. Imagine a Venn diagram with 4 circles. 1. What you love to do. 2. What you're good at. 3. What the world needs. 4. What you can get paid for. Where these circles overlap, that's your ikigai. It's the thing that gives your life purpose and direction. Marcus Aurelius, a famous Stoic philosopher, believed in living with purpose. He often wrote about how we each have a role to play in the world. He urged us to approach each day with integrity, passion, and a sense of duty. How to find your ikigai? Start by asking yourself, what makes me happy? What skills do I have? How can I use those skills to help others? Think about moments when you felt truly fulfilled. What were you doing? Who were you helping? Experiment. Try new hobbies, volunteer, or learn a new skill. Sometimes you find your purpose by exploring. Did you know your morning starts the night before? If you spend your evening binge-watching Netflix or scrolling through your phone, it's no surprise you feel tired and sluggish when you wake up. A good night's sleep doesn't just happen, it starts with how you prepare. Your brain needs time to wind down and recharge, and a relaxing evening routine can make all the difference. Why this matters? When you create a calm evening routine, you're not just helping yourself sleep better, you're setting the stage for a peaceful, productive morning. How to create a nighttime routine. 1. Turn off screens an hour before bed. The blue light from phones and TVs tricks your brain into staying awake. Instead, read a book, listen to calming music, or spend time journaling. 2. Write down tomorrow's priorities. Before you sleep, jot down 2 to 3 things you want to focus on the next day. This clears your mind and gives you direction when you wake up. 3. Reflect on your day. What went well? What made you smile? Spending a few minutes on gratitude helps you end the day on a positive note. 4. Do something relaxing. Take a warm shower, meditate, or stretch. These activities signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. When you wake up after a good night's sleep, you'll feel refreshed and ready to take on the day. Have you ever woken up, grabbed your phone, and immediately felt overwhelmed? Notifications, emails, social media, it's a lot to handle first thing in the morning. Starting your day like this puts you in a reactive mode, making it harder to focus and stay calm. Instead, imagine waking up to a peaceful, quiet morning. No distractions, no stress, just you, your thoughts, and the chance to start fresh. How to create a peaceful morning. 1. Avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes. Instead of diving into emails or social media, take time for yourself. 2. Do something grounding. This could be meditating, journaling, or simply enjoying a cup of tea while watching the sunrise. 3. Focus on your breathing. Try a simple breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. This calms your mind and body. 4. Set an intention for the day. Ask yourself, what's one thing I want to accomplish today? This helps you stay focused and purposeful. Starting your day with peace sets the tone for everything that follows. It's like building a strong foundation for the rest of your day. Consistency is key to creating a better morning routine. When you wake up at the same time every day, your body gets into a rhythm. This helps you feel more energized, focused, and in control. Why consistency matters. Our bodies have something called a circadian rhythm, a natural internal clock that tells us when to wake up and when to sleep. When you stick to a regular schedule, your body learns to wake up naturally and you'll feel less groggy. How to start waking up consistently? 1. Choose a wake-up time that works for you. It doesn't have to be 5 a.m. Just pick a time that fits your lifestyle. 2. Go to bed at the same time every night. This helps your body get the rest it needs. 3. Avoid hitting snooze. It's tempting, but snoozing disrupts your sleep cycle and makes it harder to wake up. 4. Use natural light. Open your curtains or step outside in the morning. Sunlight signals to your brain that it's time to wake up. At first, it might be tough to stick to a schedule. That's normal. The key is to stay consistent. Over time, waking up at the same time every day will become second nature. Here's the thing, you're going to mess up. Maybe you'll oversleep, skip your routine, or have a stressful day. That's okay. You're human. How to practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself like a friend. If your friend made a mistake, you wouldn't criticize them harshly. Treat yourself with the same kindness. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every small step forward counts, even if it's not perfect. Start fresh each day. If yesterday didn't go as planned, let it go. Today is a new opportunity. Being kind to yourself doesn't mean giving up. It means understanding that growth takes time and effort, and that's perfectly okay. Big changes start with small actions. If you want to build a better morning routine, start with simple habits that are easy to stick to. Put your alarm clock across the room. This forces you to get out of bed to turn it off. Make your bed. It's a tiny task, but it gives you a sense of accomplishment right away. Drink a glass of water. Hydrating first thing in the morning helps wake up your body and mind. These small wins create momentum. They make you feel capable and confident, which makes it easier to tackle bigger goals throughout the day. Making changes is easier when you're not doing it alone. That's why finding an accountability partner can be so powerful. What is an accountability partner? It's someone who shares your goals and helps keep you on track. They check in with you, encourage you, and celebrate your progress. How to find a partner? Ask a friend or family member. Choose someone you trust and who also wants to improve their mornings. Join an online community. There are tons of groups where people share tips and support each other. Check in regularly, whether it's a daily text or a weekly call. Staying connected helps keep you motivated. Having a partner makes the process feel less lonely and more fun. It's a reminder that you're not in this alone. The Stoics had a practice called memento mori, which means remember you're going to die. At first, this might sound morbid, but it's actually a beautiful reminder to appreciate life. Every day is a gift. When you remember how precious time is, you start to focus on what really matters: your relationships, your passions, and your purpose. How to practice gratitude for life. Spend a few minutes each morning reflecting on what you're grateful for. Think about the people you love and how you can show them you care. Use your time wisely. Ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today to make it meaningful? This practice helps you stay grounded and focused on what truly matters. Life isn't always easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and surprises. The Stoics believed in preparing for these moments by imagining them ahead of time. How to practice negative visualization. Think about a challenge you might face today. Imagine how you would handle it calmly and wisely. Focus on what's within your control. This practice isn't about being pessimistic, it's about building resilience. When you've already thought through how you'd handle a problem, you're less likely to panic when it happens. Before you go to bed, take a moment to reflect on the good things in your life. Maybe it's a kind word from a friend, a delicious meal, or simply the fact that you made it through the day. How to practice gratitude at night. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Think about the small moments that made you smile. Let go of any stress or frustration from the day. Ending your day with gratitude helps you sleep better and sets the tone for a positive morning. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comment section.